Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video of polynomials, we shall study division of polynomial by binomial using long division method. So these are the two questions which we are going to take up in this video. Now long division of polynomial is same as long division of whole numbers. Now there are three steps involved in long division. The first is division, second is multiplication, and third is subtraction. That means we have to undergo these three processes to solve our question. Now further, we shall use division algorithm to check our answer after we get quotient and remainder upon dividing the dividend by the divisor. Now division algorithm actually tells us the relationship between the four elements, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now for example, suppose in the whole number we have 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Now if we have to check it, we will write these values in the equation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we shall write 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0, and which is, we know that 35 is equal to 35. Similarly, if we have to divide 37 by 7, we shall get the quotient 5 and remainder 2. Now further we can check our answer by putting these values in the division algorithm. So we shall write 37 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 2. That is 37 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Now naturally the left hand side is equal to right hand side because 7 into 5 plus 2 is also 37. Now let us take the case of a polynomial where 6x cube is divided by 3x square. Both are monomials and divided with each other, and we get 2x as the quotient. Now over here we can say 6x cube is the dividend, 3x square is the divisor, and 2x is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Further we can check the answer by putting these values in the division algorithm, and we shall write 6x cube is equal to 3x square into 2x plus 0. Now further 6x cube is equal to 6x cube. Therefore we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is how we check our answer using division algorithm. Now let's take up question number 1. It is given divide y cube minus 8 by y minus 2. Now y cube minus 8 is our dividend and y minus 2 is our divisor. Now if you observe, y cube minus 8 does not have some of the powers in between like 2 and 1 of the variable y. They are missing over here. So first of all, while writing in the standard form, we shall first insert 0y square plus 0y in the middle of y cube minus 8, and we shall write y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 8 to be divided by y minus 2. So this is our question now, and we shall set our problem. Outside we shall write the divisor, that is y minus 2, and inside we shall write the dividend, that is y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 8. Now we shall start with the first step, that is division. We shall take up the first term of the dividend and we shall divide it by the first term of the divisor. That means we will divide y cube by y and we shall get y square. This is our quotient which we will write on the top, y square. Now another way of finding this y square is also you can think of such number which should be divided to y to get y cube. So it is again y square. So that is how you can also think of. Now second step is multiplication. We have to multiply the divisor with the quotient which we have obtained in step 1. So we shall multiply y minus 2 into y square and we shall get y cube minus 2y square. Now this y cube minus 2y square we will write just below y cube plus 0y square. Now we have to move to next step, that is subtraction. We have to subtract y cube minus 2y square from y cube plus 0y square. So we shall write the two expressions in bracket with a minus sign, and we shall simplify by opening the brackets. Now if you observe, y cube and y cube will stand cancel and we are left with 2y square. Now this is the horizontal way of subtracting. We can also do it directly in the vertical form. So we shall first put minus sign just below y cube minus 2y square, and then we will change the signs. The plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Now plus y cube and minus y cube will stand cancel, and 0y square plus 2y square will get 0y square. Now further we shall bring down 0y. Now we have an expression 2y square plus 0y. This we have to solve. Now again we will take the first term and divide with the first term of the divisor, that is 2y square divided by y, and we will get 2y. Another way of thinking is what should we multiply to y to get 2y square. So that way also we can do, and we shall get 2y. Now second step is to multiply the divisor with the 2y. So we shall multiply and get 2y square minus 4y. Now again we will move to step 3, that is subtraction. We will put the minus sign just below 2y square minus 4y and change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Now if you observe, plus 2y square and minus 2y square will get cancelled, and 0y plus 4y we will get 4y. Now further we will bring down minus 8 and we will start all the three processes all over again. So first of all we have to think of a number. What should we multiply to y to get 4y? So we will get 4. So 4 is our question, which we will write on the top. And now we will move to second step, that is multiplication. We shall multiply y minus 2 with 4 and we will get 4y minus 8. Further we will move to step 3, that is subtraction. We will write minus sign just below 4y minus 8 and change the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus 4y and minus 4y will cancel with each other. Similarly, minus 8 and plus 8 will cancel with each other and we are left with 0. So we can say over here the quotient is y square plus 2y plus 4 and remainder is 0. Now let us check our answer using division algorithm. For that we require 4 elements, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now we shall substitute these values in the equation. First of all we have to write dividend, that is y cube minus 8 is equal to divisor, that is y minus 2, multiply by quotient, that is y square plus 2y plus 4 and plus remainder, that is 0. Now we shall write it again. Y cube minus 8 is equal to, we have to multiply binomial with trinomial. So first we will take the first term of the binomial and multiply it with the 3 terms given in the trinomial. And then we shall take up the second term of the binomial and multiply with the 3 terms in the trinomial. So let's start. Y into y square is y cube. Y into 2y is 2y square. Y into 4 is 4y. Minus 2 into y square is minus 2y square. Minus 2 into 2y is minus 4y. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 and plus 0 as it is. Now further we will observe that plus 2y square and minus 2y square will stand cancel. 4y and minus 4y will also stand cancel. And we are left with y cube minus 8. So over here left hand side is equal to right hand side. The dividend is equal to the divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that means our division algorithm is satisfied and our answer is correct. Now let us move to question number 2. It is given divide 29z minus 6z square minus 28 by 3z minus 4. Now over here if you observe the dividend, that is 29z minus 6z square minus 28 is not in standard form. So first of all we will write the dividend in standard form. So it will come minus 6z square plus 29z minus 28 to be divided by 3z minus 4. That means we have now written in decreasing order of powers. Now we shall set the problem. The divisor, that is 3z minus 4, will come outside, and dividend, that is minus 6z square plus 29z minus 28, will come inside. Now we shall start with the first step, that is division. First we shall divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. We shall write minus 6z square upon 3z and we shall get minus 2z as the quotient, which we will write on the top. Now we shall move to the second step, that is multiplication. We will multiply the quotient with the divisor, that is 3z minus 4 into minus 2z, and we shall get minus 6z square plus 8z, which we will write just below minus 6z square plus 29z. Now we shall move to the next step, that is subtraction. We have to subtract minus 6z square plus 8z from minus 6z square plus 29z. So first let me explain in horizontal form and then we will come to vertical form. So first we will write the expressions in the two brackets with the minus sign in between, and we shall open the brackets now. And if you observe, minus 6z square and plus 6z square will cancel with each other. 29z minus 8z, we will get 21z. Now in vertical form, if we have to do, we will put minus sign beneath minus 6z square plus 8z, and further we will change the sign, that is minus will become plus and plus will become minus, and further minus 6z square and plus 6z square will stand cancel, and 29z minus 8z, we will get 21z. Now we will bring down minus 28, and you can say the new dividend now we have is 21z minus 28, which we will solve by undergoing the three-step approach all over again. So first step is division. So we shall divide 21z by 3z and we will get 7. Or another way of doing it, you can think of a number what should be multiplied to 3z to get 21z. So that way also you can do. So 7 we will write on the top as a quotient, and now we shall move to second step, that is multiplication. We have to multiply 3z minus 4 into 7 and we shall get 21z minus 28. Now we can directly move to third step, that is subtraction. We shall just write minus sign below 21z minus 28 and we will change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Now 21z minus 21z will cancel with each other. Similarly, minus 28 and plus 28 will cancel with each other, and we will be left with 0 as remainder. So over here the quotient is minus 2z plus 7 and remainder is 0. Now let's take our answer using division algorithm, for which we require 4 elements, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now we shall put these values in the equation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we shall write minus 6z square plus 29z minus 28 is equal to 3z minus 4 into minus 2z plus 7 plus 0. Now we shall simplify the bracket, that is two binomials are there, so we have to simplify them. We shall write minus 6z square plus 29z minus 28, that is the dividend as it is we shall write, and is equal to, now 3z into minus 2z is minus 6z square, 3z into 7 is 21z, minus 4 into minus 2z is 8z, and minus 4 into 7 is minus 28 plus 0. Now further minus 6z square will come as it is, 21z plus 8z we will get 29z, and minus 28 plus 0 is minus 28. So you will observe that left hand side and right hand side are exactly the same. That means our division algorithm is satisfied and our answer is correct. So hope you have enjoyed the video and understood these two questions related to division of polynomials by binomial using long division method. Please do like and subscribe my channel and do give your feedback in the comment section. I will be waiting for it. Thank you everyone.